Hey everyone, Kensurfs here. We're back in the shave den. It's Sunday and it's time for another shave. You're probably saying, where's this guy been? And take a lesson, guys, take a lesson. If you're getting older and you suffer from lower back pain and you have a back pain attack and you end up going to the chiropractor and going to physical therapy and get it all taken care of, 2 days later, don't try to move furniture. We had the carpet cleaner in here and we were lifting like 150-pound pieces of furniture up off the ground, and I blew my back out last week, Wednesday, and man, Thursday, Friday, even yesterday, I could barely stand. So it's good to be back here with you today. And I'm going to take a kickstart on No Shave November. I'm going to leave my goatee growing. You guys have a big advantage over me. My beard grows very short. So if I were not to do a shave all of November, I would barely have a goatee going. So I'm going to be doing that today. Now, I've had these items for quite a while, and I'm going to be trying them for the first time today. In fact, I just peeled the plastic off. The items are from Pearl, and Pearl is based in India, I believe, and they have some reasonably priced razors. They've come a long way in the past few years. They have some higher end, but some people have been asking, what's the slant razor like? So let's take a look at the slant razor. There we go. We got the slant razor. They give us some Willys blades. Although I'm going to be using different blades today, but they come with Willys blades. This is from Pearl Man. And here looks like you get a cleaning cloth. You get a cleaning cloth, some gaskets, and maybe tips and tricks. But I'm going to be using this razor today. You can definitely see it's slanted. Looks kind of slanted at the base too. Look at that. Let's unscrew this. Yeah, see that? Looks kind of slanted at the base. It's heavy, very heavy. Got the Pearl emblem right there. There we go. Now, I don't know if it's supposed to go on a certain way, so do we have a lineup? Yes, we do. Look, no notches. Notches, so you don't get it backwards. So let me get a blade I've been really happy with lately, the Personna. We're going to load this up. Yeah, backaches just suck. You're just immobile. You can't even stand. It just really sucks. Oh yeah, you can see the Personna emblem barely on there. Okay, let's see here. I'm gonna put the blade into the cap first. Put the base plate right back where it was. The only thing is, yeah, look, this does not seem to be perpendicular. The whole razor's slanted. I don't know if that, and I don't want to try to bend that back. We'll see how it does. I just have to take that into account when I'm shaving. So, you guys have this slant razor? Do you find it the same way? Yeah, low end, high end, low end. Look how low that is, high end. It'll be very interesting to try today. All right, and I'm going to be trying Pearl Man shaving soap. And we're opening this for the first time. And this is Sunrise Bliss. Bliss. Sunrise Bliss. Oh, come on. Here we go. Nice. We'll be trying that today. And for the Aftershave Balm, I'm going to be using some Pearl Post Shave. However, I am going to be using, to follow it up, one of the coolest scents to come out of Phoenix Artists and Accoutrements in a while is the Greenwitch Envy. I really like this scent. Taking this no spill cap off. Getting it. There we go. They have a no spill stopper on it now. It's my wife's birthday today, so we're getting ready for a birthday party, and I'm glad my back healed up. Got me out of a lot of chores, but you know. Oh, and somebody had said, hey, can you use the Wee Scott brush again? And I certainly can do that. So, I need a shave, and I'm going to keep the goatee. Let's see what we can do. Yeah, I'm not, that's very weird. Look at that. Very weird. And it's been in the box. It's the first time I've ever opened it. I bet this handle got bent, or maybe it's supposed to be that way. I don't know. But we'll see how it shaves. That's the final test, right? All right. I'm soaking the wee Scott, not in the crystal skull. I'll never get it out of there. But there we go. Let's see if we can get some soap going here with the wee Scott. You got a bit of a scent, not too overpowering. Look. Very easy to do a precise application, that's for sure. And if you guys are familiar with the slants, and if yours looks like mine, let me know. Okay. Here we go. I do have the notches lined up correctly. Oh, man. Just slices through it. Very nice. Very nice. You guys watching the World Series? I was laid up, had to watch it from lying flat in my bed. There are worse things you could have, but yeah, man. But it was a good few games. Of course, you know, I'm rooting for the Dodgers. It's been, what, since 1981 that the Dodgers played the Yankees in the World Series. And in 1988, I was working in downtown Los Angeles with the California Department of Transportation. And I was working in Los Angeles office. And that year, in 88, the Dodgers won the World Series. So I got to attend one of those victory parades that they have downtown. And it was kind of cool memory. I did 1 year of work up in downtown LA before transferring down here to Orange County, and I got to see the Lakers victory parade that year, 87, 88. I was there from December 87 all the way to December of 88, and then I transferred back down here to Orange County. All right. Well, for all its weird perks, works pretty good. Just very strange. Very strange. All right. We'll do one more pass. We'll see how this goes. Oh yeah, you can tell most of the hair is all gone already. And boy, this was starting to itch too. Yeah, yesterday I wouldn't have been able to stand up in front of you. I'd have been, oh. I blame the guy at work. He goes, hey Ken, I'm having back problems. He's probably 4 years younger than me. This stuff doesn't seem to go away. Have you ever had back problems? And I go, yeah, I'm a frequent flyer with those back problems. I go, you just have to, you know, when you start to feel that pain, you kind of got to stop what you're doing, take a couple of Tylenol or whatever you're taking, and go relax. And then I got back problems. Thanks, Mr. Jose. I appreciate it. My good friend Jose from work, experiencing back problems for the first time. I probably haven't, I did. I haven't had back issues since 2022. Again, when I was lifting heavy items up into the rafters in the garage. You just can't do all the things you used to do when you get older. Nice. All right. Rinse this off here. Very weighty razor, man. Very cool handle, very weighty. Just a very strange top design, and it could be, it doesn't look like it's an optical illusion. It looks like the handle's cockeyed a bit, but it might be that way for a reason. But it sure did make quick work of my beard. All right. Mustaches are back. Did you see that? I was watching the baseball game, man. A lot of mustaches out there. Football games, a lot of mustaches out there. So mustaches are making a comeback. Who knew? All right. Post-shave lotion, Pearl Man. Let's see how bad this... There we go, just a little bit. No real scent to speak of. It sure does feel good though. Very good. But now, again, home run, Doug. I almost used the soap again, and I go, I can't do, you know. This I used about 4 weeks ago. I just happened to release this video last because I was waiting for it to be released in the store, and now it is available in the store. And now it's got me looking for Greenwitch Envy for men, just to see, but yeah, scent is good. All right, drop some in here. Oh, and there's a burn. But there's a fantastic scent. All right. Well, sorry I've been gone. It's good to be back, and I look forward to doing another shave video with you very soon. I have the new leaf razor. I just have it at my P.O. box. I got to go get it. I haven't been able to leave the house. I've got to go get it. I'm going to do a shave with the leaf, the multi-blade one, where you just take your DE blades and you snap them in half, and it takes 3 half of the blades. And like with one pass, it's like a cartridge. Oh, someone using the shower. That's my cue. All right, everybody, have a great weekend, and baseball resumes tomorrow in New York. So we'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.